Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2014 Ram 1500 Laramie in true blue pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a quad cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. Come to the front here, you'll have projector style halogen headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. You have your high beams right there, LED running lights, which are also the turn signals, a nice large chrome crosshairs grille, looking sharp. Front and rear bumpers are chrome too. 2 fog lamps on the front bumper, and those dots on the front bumper are front ParkSense parking sensors. Come to the side here, you'll see that there's a chrome running board. You have those on both sides of this truck, which makes it that much easier to get inside. And there's chrome door handles on the outside on all 4 doors. This truck is running on Goodyear Wrangler mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction. Chrome alloy rims, they look great. And there's 4-wheel disc brakes all around. And both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. And these are chrome mirrors as well. There are LED convenience lights built into the bottom of the mirrors. They come on when you put your hand around either the driver or passenger side door handles to unlock this truck, or if you just press the unlock button on the key fob, because this does have the proximity key fob. So like I just said, all you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle like this. You have the key fob on you, and that'll unlock the truck for you. Always press that button right there to lock up the Ram when you're done with it. There's storage down below with 2 big cup holders. There's storage in the middle. There's a nice place for an arm. This has power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows up front are automatic. Wood styling touches on all the doors, as well as nice chrome styling touches. Chrome door handles on the inside on all 4 doors too. And this does have power folding in mirrors. You press this button here, the mirrors will fold in. Press it again, they'll fold back out. Boom, just like that. This has automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it. Dimmer knob there, that button there will turn on the box lights. Fog light button, directional air vent, which you can close and open. This has a leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in your hands. It's a tilt steering wheel too. Power adjustable pedals, you move the pedals closer or further away from your feet by using those buttons right there. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support, and this does have driver's seat presets. You can save up to 2 presets. And by the push of one of these buttons, the seat will adjust to your preset settings. And this has leather seats throughout, Laramie badges on the front seats, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and this has adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust the seatbelt height so you're most comfortable inside this Ram 1500 Laramie. And there's a power sunroof up top. Nice place in the middle here for arms to rest on. This nice big Ram badge right here. Grab this chrome handle. There's an upper storage area here with a change holder, and there's a USB port, an auxiliary port, and an SD card port connected to your media. Put anything into those areas and you can play music through the Alpine Sound System. And there's another USB port right there, which is fantastic for charging devices. And if you have cords coming out of here, run them along the side so when you close the lid, it doesn't crush your cords. Grab a little lower, there's even more storage space down below here, a little ledge there for some pens, and there is a CD player. There's 2 big cup holders in the middle here, a 12-volt DC power outlet, cell phone holder, lots of storage space right there, nice chrome styling touch around the middle too, and this does have an auto dimming rear view mirror and LED interior lighting throughout. Handle right here so you, the driver, can easily get into this truck. Let's go check out the back seat area. So, nice place for an armrest, power window switch, looks good. Handle right here so your passengers can easily lift themselves into the back seat area. There's lots of footroom in the back seat area, along with plenty of headroom. Extra speakers up top here connected to the Alpine Sound System. Hooks here so you can hang up nice clothing. So if you're going to a nice event, your clothing doesn't get all wrinkled. The interior lamp right here, push it with your hand, will act as a reading lamp. Push it again, it will shut off. Adjustable headrest in the back seats as well. And this does flip up like so. And there's a fold-out gate here. You can put things underneath or on top of this gate. If you're not using it, you can easily fold it back just like this. And underneath here, there's even more storage space. And there's a clip here, so you can clip this up and secure it like so. LED light built into the bottom of the seat. It lights up the feet area for you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are. And there's a 12-volt DC power outlet down here. And a nice Ram badge and a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. This Ram 1500 Laramie has LED tail lamps on the back, dual exhaust tips out the back with chrome around them. Those dots on the back bumper are Rear ParkSense Parking Sensors. There's nice badging, the Ram badge, 4x4 badge, Laramie badge, looking sharp. Spot for a trailer hitch down below here with connections. You can hook up a trailer or power up any aftermarket devices using this Ram. And the backup camera is built into the tailgate handle right here. Open up the tailgate. There's hooks in all four corners, so you tighten any loads so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. And this does have spray and bed liner, and the box lights are just up there. This is a lock the tailgate. Press the lock button on the key fob. All four doors will lock, including the tailgate. And there's mud flaps behind all four tires. Let's come to the other side. All right, nice place for an arm, power window switch, convenience handle, pocket on the back of the passenger seat too. The side also flips up, and there's a fold-out gate here. You put things underneath or on top for storage, and there's a cutout here in the middle for the two cup holders that are down below. And underneath here is a subwoofer connected to the Alpine Sound System, adding to the exceptional sound quality. And if you don't want people to see your subwoofer, not a problem, you can just secure it like this. Now no one can see your subwoofer. And of course the LED light built into the bottom of the seat. Love it. Put your hand around the passenger door handle. You have the key fob on you and the truck will unlock. And you always press this button right here to lock up the Ram when you're done with it. Storage down below with two big cup holders. Storage in the middle. Nice Ram badge. Wood styling touch. Looking good. Power locks, power window switch. Nice stitching by the way. Spot for some pens or packs of gum right here. Directional air vent which you can close and open. Convenience handle so who's ever going to be sitting in the front seat can easily lift themselves in. Beautiful stitching on the dashboard as well. Upper glove box here with a convenience light. Nice Laramie badge. Lower glove box here with a manual. Pocket on the side of the middle console right here. There's also a pocket on the driver's side as well. And the passenger seat is fully powered with lumbar support, and underneath the passenger seat are the tire shifting tools, which allows for easy access. And when it comes to safety, there's airbags built into the front seats. There's side curtain airbags, driver and passenger side airbags, and more. Let's hop inside and take a closer look at this Ram 1500 Laramie right now. This is the proximity key fob. As you can see, there's a nice Ram badge on the back. This has an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. And this does have remote start. All you gotta do is press this button twice. The doors will lock and then the truck will start right up. Boom, just like that. Then you can put your hand either around the driver or passenger side door handles to unlock the truck, or you can just hit the unlock button like this. Hop inside the truck here. You keep this key fob in your pocket, or you can put it down below here in this nice large storage area. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake down below, go over to the side here and press push button, start button. And that'll get you past the remote start system. This does have an LCD driver information center screen, and the first thing you'll see is that this truck only has 46,215 kilometers on it. That is not very much at all. So definitely come book a test drive soon. And you have a digital speedometer, which you can change to kilometers per hour if you're going to Canada, which I'm already in Canada, so this should be already kilometers. So now it's back to what it should be. But you States people in the States, you know, Americans, I don't want to say you people, that's not very nice. You can change it to miles per hour if you're going to the home in the States. Anyway, using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel right here, we could go through the information center. So yeah, you have your digital speedometer, You have your vehicle info area, tells you tire pressures for all 4 tires, tells you transmission temperature, oil life, full-on gauge summary, engine hours, and back to your tire pressures. You have your fuel economy page here, lets you know your fuel range on your tank of fuel, your current liters per 100 kilometers, your average liters per 100 kilometers. Hold this button right here, and you can easily reset that. Very cool. You have a trip A calculator and a trip B calculator. Both of them tell you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, your average vehicle speed, and the time you've been driving for. Hold this button here, you can reset one or both of those. You have your trailer tow area, lets you know what the gain's set at. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case this RAM wants to tell you something. Screen setup here, so customize the screen, make it more of your own. You have a thermometer, a clock, fuel range, and blank space. You can customize what's in all 4 corners right here in screen setup. And back to the digital speedometer. And if you open up any door on this truck, it will let you know which door on the truck is opened. I like all the gauges, they look great. You got a Ram badge up there, it looks sharp. Nice Ram badge in the middle here with, of course, a horn. It's a very loud horn. Cruise control on the right with your gear selection buttons right there. And behind the steering wheel, there's steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. If a call comes through Bluetooth, you can answer the call by pressing that button right here. And this does have voice recognition. Cancel.
Cancelled.
Using voice recognition, you can tell the GPS navigation to navigate to a certain address, which I think is really neat. Lots of visibility out the front window, and up here you do have reading lamps, a switch for the rear sliding window so you can easily open that up. You have a programmable garage door opener and buttons for the power sunroof. There's fold down sun visors up here with convenience mirrors and convenience lights, so you can surely see yourself. These are breakaway and they do slide out. Fantastic. Right here, there's a 115 volt AC power outlet. Another great spot for some pens or packs of gum. Directional air vents, which you can easily adjust and you close and open these. Love the chrome styling, wood styling, looking good. Rotary style gear shifter is very out of the way, easy to use. If I throw this truck into reverse, the backup camera appears on the touchscreen system here, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to be backing up. Add your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors. If you get close to an object, front or behind you, it will show you on the screen here how close you're getting to an object, and the closer you get to an object, you'll hear audible beeps and there'll be lights flashing. You can turn off the front and rear ParkSense parking sensors by using these buttons right here, and you can turn them back on at any time. Tow/haul mode, traction control. This has heated and ventilated seats up front. These are the physical buttons. And this does have a heated steering wheel. Trailer brake controller, push button 4-wheel drive, and this does have 4WD auto. Dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Ram to adjust your climate control for you. Driver's temperature, passenger temperature, air conditioning, recirculate button, front defrost. This will turn on the rear window defroster. Tuning knob, browse button for your media here. Volume knob, mute button if I turn up the volume here. Great sound quality through the Alpine Sound System. Love it. Turn it back down just like this, or you can press the mute button. Turn the screen off, you don't want to look at it, touch with your finger, it comes back on. Hazards here and a back button will help you guide through your system. And here's a touchscreen Uconnect system. AM, FM radio, and SiriusXM tells you a song, the artist in the middle of the screen. Access to a mini-map to GPS navigation right here. Presets up above. Hold one of these boxes with your finger. You can easily set a preset. You can adjust your audio very easily. Balance, fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, and more. You can direct tune into a specific radio station that you want to listen to. The info bar up top tells you what the temperatures are set at for the dual climate control. It tells you the time, outside temperature, and you have a compass there as well. Media button here, so if you have a CD in the CD player, something plugged into the USB port, the auxiliary port, an SD card port, the SD card port, or a Bluetooth device connected, go here and listen to music to those areas. And of course, there's access to a mini map. Touchscreen controls for the driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats. the heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer right here and settings. Touchscreen climate control, easily adjust where you want the air to go. Adjust your fan speed. You can sync and unsync the temperatures. Set the temperature with just your finger and more. GPS navigation area, view the map. Gives you a great view of where you are. You can zoom in, you can zoom out on the map. Go menu, go where to, put an address, search at points of interest, and so much more. Bluetooth area here, you can pair more than one device. Make hands-free calling. Hands-free calls is the way to go. View recent calls, view your phone book, and so much more. Settings here for touchscreen Uconnect system and this Ram 1500, so you can have this truck set to the way that you want it to be, which is really cool. Definitely come check out this Ram sometime soon. It's waiting for you. It's the 2014 Ram 1500 Laramie in true blue pearl paint, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine underneath the hood. This is a quad cab configuration truck with the 6-foot box on the back. It has a very luxurious interior, unique looks, a great ride. It's powerful, sounds great, and you know what? It'll be suitable for you. I'm your man, David. Come see this truck at Crosstown today. I'll talk to you later. Yeah.